maintenance. Damn. First tire on last night. We're gonna be hooking today. So just starting to rain now. That's all right. We'll let Mother Nature water the track a little bit. We're gonna be heading out to the dunes today, so we're gonna need it. But yeah, I haven't been there since they changed a bit of the layout for the Pro National, so that's gonna be fun. But yeah, got it all dialed in last night. Much needed maintenance. We're all prepped up, waiting for Bunk's fat ass to come pick us up. We'll be on our way. Finally, there he is. Bunk in the flesh. That's good. Old 350, gonna be barking today. Fast house. This guy's fast. Look at this guy, dude.
It's raining cats and dogs, bro.
How's this rig with a bike on it?
Way better than Arcadia.
Yeah? Nice.
Fucking backup job, eh?
Oh yeah. That wasn't bad. I was expecting a three corrections at least. Alright, let's fucking get this shit loaded up and head on out.
Garage, bro.
Alright, let's fucking get it. Yep. Alright, let's fucking get on the road, pal. 10:36. Time to fucking head out.
Fresh lid.
Fresh lid, dude. Let me see this thing.
Dude, that's fire.
It's certified, bro. What are you, a sailor? Take this. Alright, let's fucking get it.
How we looking?
Pretty good.
How's the hat look?
Oh, dude, certified.
There's no curve on her. Ooh, this
Oh.
hat's cooked.
Made it. A little
This is
late.
the track, right?
Yeah, dude, main track right here. That'd really be bad.
Here, though, bro.
Nobody. Whole track to ourselves, pretty much. Just finished pouring down a monsoon.
Looks like somebody's done 4 laps. That's it.
Yeah. You can barely. There's like a couple lines cut out. Well, little swamp fest right here. That's okay. Hopefully the track doesn't look like that.
Fuck.
Bikes are looking dialed. Weather actually turned out pretty nice. Still spinning a little bit, but track looks good. There's a couple lines in the sand. Barely anybody here today. Pretty well got the whole track to ourselves. But yeah, we got geared up and head on out. Well, first couple laps. What do you think?
Hard to ride, bro.
Yeah, it's fucking gnarly. It's deep. Look at this guy. Taking the roost for the team.
Footage.
Oh man. Turned out to be pretty nice out actually. Not too many people. Track's starting to get real dialed. Sand's starting to dry out a bit. Turned out to be a pretty mint fucking day for a rip. That was a fucking heater. That was so much fun. I'll eat roost for that all day. Alright, I think I'm calling it. Yeah, I'm gonna hurt. Yeah.
Holy fuck. Holy fuck.
Oh no, it's this one. Guy took a spill. Let's see. Jesus. Really? Nah, dude. Rat's good.
You should have seen how I landed.
Did you fucking go right
I
down?
went over and I jumped off and landed on my neck back.
Jesus Christ. Well, turned out to be a beautiful day at the dunes. Tire was absolutely amazing. Bike was running phenomenal. Old 394 here was running pretty good too. Got roosted a couple times, but it's all right. Gonna load up, head out. Fast.
Oh.
Fast. Well, all loaded up, ready to rock. Ended up being an absolutely beauty day. Cannot complain. All right, let's hit it, monkey boy. What do you think? Good day or what?
Dude. Look at this. Sweat. Go for dunes.
Sayonara.
Look at that irrigation setup, bro.
That's mint. Damn, need that in the backyard. All right, well, peace. Tesla on the back of a tow truck. Surprise, surprise.
This AA battery ran out.
Easy guy. Man, how you feeling today?
I feel like I got hit by a truck.
Oh man, dude, those fucking extra 5 laps really did us dirty, huh?
Holy fuck! Are these for sale?
Yeah, dude, size 30.
How much?
Dude, I don't know. I bought them brand new. I'll give them to someone for like $80. I don't even care. They wouldn't fit you. They barely fit me. Yo, are you a big 805 guy?
I mean, I guess.
I suppose.
Are you a big fucking white belt guy?
Oh, dude, that's you. That's all you. Oh, maybe
bro.
that's a little bit me. Dude, you're not healed, buddy. You're fucking. You're
loose.
down bad, bro. Go for dudes. If you're repping Fast House, if you're repping Fast House, you got to be going fast. What's your excuse?
Dude, I'm in the house.
I'm in the house. I'm in the house. Mouse in the house. Mouse in the house. All right, let's watch these things. Everything's falling apart, dude. That's what you get when you buy a KTM or what?
Shut up, bro. You have a cable clutch. Brand new. Hey. Looking for one?
Shut the fuck up. Oh man,
Yo,
see?
kickstart
You
this
ever see a real bike? This is what
a carburetor?
I have once or twice.
Plugs.
Did you ever see a real bike? This is what it looks like.
Might flood it. Who knows?
Dude. Guy thinks he's hot shit. Fuel injected. Dude, no kickstart. Asking for a rewire the other day.
Hey, bud. Is this your electric start, bud?
Dude. Knock, knock. Nobody's home, dude. Yeah, that's my electric start right there.
Doesn't work, bro.
Bunk 394 in the house. Oh, man.
I was one ride away from fucking death, dude.
When?
Guy wrecks every time he fucking is out here.
Who?
394, bro.
Oh, dude, 394? He almost wrecks every time.
You guys are wreck away from...
The guy's reckless. Wrecking Ralph, dude. 805. Alright, take it easy, pal. Alright, well, I think I'm going to end it here. If you guys stuck around to this point, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully we can make more of these videos coming up. Just trying to find time, but yeah, if you liked them, Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.